Hello everyone, welcome to Gold Nugget, JAW_success. This is your first time to the channel. Let me welcome you. If you have already subscribed, let me thank you for joining me on this growth path, literally a path. Today I want to say to you, as you go along the path of life, sometimes you just have to say to yourself, if it's raining on my parade, this is what I'll do today. I'll keep moving. If trials and tests comes along the way, I won't give up. I'll keep moving. Doesn't matter what they say, I'll keep moving. 'Cause that's what life is to me. Movement, 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 movement. I'm moving, yes I am. Because that's what life is. If we fail to move, we fail to go places. What we have already is what we have accomplished already. And as long as we settle for what we have accomplished already, we won't gain anything else. Life is about movement and moving. So every now and then, you've got to move along the pathway of life with the knowledge that situations will change. Yeah, every now and then, you've got to make a one-stop, evaluate, think things over, wonder if you have made the right decision or the conclusion that you have come to, is it the right conclusion? But as I said before, if you keep staying at the same place, you won't get anything other than you have gotten already. So every now and then, you've got to tell yourself, though the situations don't seem favorable to me, though the mountains are too high for me to see, the end of this journey along the way, I'll keep moving, moving, moving. I'll keep moving. For this is what my life says. I'm a mover. As long as you're moving, things will go by you. That is what I want to say in this nugget. As long as you keep moving, things will pass you by. Sometimes we're only in the position that we're in because we fail to move. So it's as if the rain cloud hung over our head. The pit that we're in becomes deeper because as long as we keep walking around in the pit instead of coming out of it, it will become deeper. Okay? You may say, how does it come deeper? The pressure under your foot will cause it to sink under you, and you will become further down into a pit instead of coming out. But as long as you keep moving, as long as you keep progressing, as long as you keep walking along the path, things will change. And this is why I say, things change when we change. Things move when we move. If we don't move, things remain the same. Now I'm a mover, shaker, changer, beater, because I'm moving. This is what I want to say to you in this nugget. Keep moving. Because if it's raining on your parade, if the mountains seems insurmountable, it's because you're remaining one place. Don't remain one place. Keep moving. Keep changing. Keep doing things that will showcase the fact that you're not remaining in the same place. And as you move, I can assure you, success will come. It will come because you move. Success will come because you never remain the same. Every day you keep moving, you keep changing, you keep doing things that says, I'm a mover, shaker, changer, maker, because that's who you are when you keep moving. This is JAW saying to you, by all means necessary, create a way out, because you're a mover and you're a shaker. And as long as you keep moving, things will pass you by and it will never be the same. God bless you. Bye.